Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can change your language settings on Facebook. So all you have to do is open your Facebook account and tap on the profile icon on the lower right. And then once you're here, just scroll all the way down and tap on settings and privacy. Now here you'd want to scroll down and tap on app language. And then it's going to open your phone settings right here, and under preferred language, just tap on that. And as you can see, mine is currently set to English, but if you want to change that, then you can choose any language that is listed here. For example, I'm going to choose Espanol. And when we get back to Facebook, there you have it. The language is changed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.